Viewers, remember the National Advisory Council, the NAC, under Sonia Gandhi, which was often labeled as the super PMO or an unofficial parallel government. That was then. Now the Congress has done something similar. In its infinite wisdom and after a series of electoral drubbings, Congress has decided that the problem is not their regal mindset or their leadership vacuum. The real culprit, according to the Congress, is the Election Commission of India. So to fight the system, viewers, the Congress is banking on EAGLE, Empowered Action Group of Leaders and Experts. And just a day after this majestic team was formed, Rahul Gandhi has questioned the election process and the integrity of the Election Commission in Parliament. Viewers, let's imagine for a moment what this EAGLE will look like in action. A private parallel election commission, because clearly the one we have is not good enough for the first family of Indian politics. Viewers, picture this. EAGLE members in their regal robes, perched on their lofty thrones, scrutinizing each and every vote with the same intensity they scrutinize their own declining popularity. Viewers, this EAGLE isn't just monitoring. It's poised to become the super election commission for the Congress. Just like Sonia Gandhi's NAC was seen as the super PMO. While the NAC was busy crafting policies in the shadows, EAGLE will hover over polling booths, casting doubt on every vote not cast for the Congress. Because obviously, if you're not winning, the system must be rigged. Viewers, let's not forget the core issue here. Congress's problems are not of democratic integrity of the system, but of a regal mindset. The Shahi Parivar, as the Prime Minister refers to them. The first family seems to believe that the leadership is a divine right, not a democratic mandate. Blaming the Election Commission won't help when the real issue is disconnect from the voters. Viewers, Eagle, Falcon, Vulture will not change the fact that the Congress's problems are deeply embedded in royal entitlement. It's a mindset issue. EAGLE is the new mascot for the Congress's refusal to look in the mirror. Made soar high, reminding everyone that when you can't win the game, just change the rules or question the referee. Viewers, the question is whether the Congress can look beyond its regal past and engage with a democratic present. If the Congress wishes to soar like an eagle, it must end its flight of fancy. It must first shed its burdensome feathers of entitlement and embrace the winds of change that the voters demand.
The entire population of Himachal Pradesh was added to the voter rolls of Maharashtra. Almost 70 lakh new voters suddenly arrived between Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. Interestingly, the new voters are mostly in the constituencies that the BJP has swept. Please understand, I am still not making an allegation.
कि राजीव कुमार जी जो मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त हैं वो इस महीने के अंत में रिटायर हो रहे हैं। उन्हें पोस्ट रिटायरमेंट ऐसा कौन सा पद ऑफर किया गया है जिसके बदले में आप देश के जनतंत्र को खत्म कर दो? गवर्नर का पद, राष्ट्रपति का पद, कौन सा पद हो सकता है वो?
न केवल वोटर लिस्ट में गड़बड़ी कर रहे हैं, ऊपर से लेकर नीचे तक अधिकारियों की सेटिंग कर रहे हैं। अभी तक तो ये और चीजों की सेटिंग करते थे।
He is questioning about the Election Commission's integrity. He is questioning about the Election Commission's functioning. Instead of finding fault with the leader of opposition, they should address the Election Commission.
And now, considering Mr. Kejriwal ji has been repeatedly showing with evidence, I'm hoping that the Election Commission would understand its responsibility to ensure free and fair, transparent election and conduct of electoral democracy, and take steps to ensure that BJP does not get a chance to manipulate the outcome of the election.
You heard the reactions. Let's open this up. Sardar R.P. Singh, National Spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Karan Verma, political analyst. Ishkaran Bhandari, political analyst, advocate. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji. With us, Kishore Tiwari, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena Uddhav faction. Sumaya Rana, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. And Dr. Akashdeep Muni completes this panel. Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, what will the eagle do to help Congress come out of its regal mindset? ये जो शाही परिवार का माइंडसेट है, पहले तो आपको वो छोड़ना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए ईगल क्या कर सकता है?
Yeah, Pranesh, good evening. First and foremost, we have been demanding from our leadership in the AICC of a body that goes into the specific details of voter manipulation in various constituencies, where we felt that there has been a chance of manipulation either by the untrusty election commission officials or BJP's hand-picked officers who are monitoring the election system across the country. And thankfully, the Congress High Command has decided to constitute a body on those lines. Now let me come to the specific as to why we are demanding as such. Pranesh, on a number of shows in your channel, I believe I have spooked you up when I raised the issue that why should the Election Commission be appointed, not be appointed by the Chief Justice of India, and why the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are members of that selection committee. Reason being, Caesar's wife should be above any suspicion. What was there by the Narendra Modi government to hide that the Election Commission of India is elected by two political leaders of the ruling party? This has to be a level playing field. We had a very great respect for the judiciary. If the judiciary was involved in selection, there would not have been a lot of questions would have been answered then and there. Secondly, when in Maharashtra after the 2024 Lok Sabha election till the assembly election, how come around 41 addition lakhs of voters added in the election? Where
Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, 1 minute. The election, 1 minute. The Maharashtra, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Started.
Listen to me, 1 minute. This, claim by Rahul Gandhi that look, there has been some problem in Maharashtra. This has been fact-checked by the Election Commission. अब आपको ईसी में भरोसा नहीं है, अब आप ईगल का सर्टिफिकेट चाहते हैं, वो तो पता नहीं है. बट ईसी ने इस पे कैटेगोरिक रेस्पॉन्स दिया है, मेरे हाथ में है. बट करण वर्मा को अगर मैं पूछूं तो आपको ठीक से समझा देंगे. Karan, would you like to elaborate on what the EC has said about this claim? So, this is not just one claim. On multiple occasions, Rahul Gandhi and Congress leaders have been fact-checked. आपका जो मन में आता है वो बोल देते हैं. आज आपको ईसी पे भरोसा नहीं है, कल कोर्ट्स में भरोसा नहीं था. Who do you trust? The Gandhi family only. Karan.
So, Pranesh, can I speak on this?
Please.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
बोलिए Karan, बोलिए.
Yeah. So, Pranesh, just to specifically answer this question of Kamruzaman, the Chief Election Commissioner was very clear that the increase in addition is absolutely commensurate with the increase in population. It exactly is 3 to 4%. मतलब इतना झूठ मत बोलिए भाई, जैसे population बढ़ेगी, of course there will be additions. The last time there is this bogey that 5 lakh extra count हो गए. पता लगा बाद में those were postal ballots. I mean, you have Form 17C which is given to the representatives of every political party. You are lying through your teeth and disparaging every institution. Pranesh, truth be told, इसका नाम eagle होना ही नहीं चाहिए. इसका नाम vulture होना चाहिए. भाई इनकी traits vulture वाली हैं. They prey on every tragedy, whether it is Mahakumbh, whether any sort of tragedy. Digvijay Singh is a member of it. Somebody who said 26/11 RSS की साजिश. तो इनका right name is vultures. These are vultures. Praveen Chakravarti, what sense of data does he have when he was asked, you are going to give 1 lakh to every woman? How many women are poor? He said 1 lakh women. So this is their sense of data. This is the sense of half lies that they keep, half truths that they keep peddling, and they stand exposed. Today Rahul Gandhi has made a fool of himself on the parliament. When time and again every fact has been checked and verified by the Chief Election Commission. 3 hackathons, Pranesh, they've been invited. Each time they did not land up there. In fact, Samajwadi Party, the spokesperson is sitting here, 2022 when they lost the elections, they submitted 3 applications to the EC. They did not turn up. जो पैसे दिए थे वो भी जब्त हो गए उसके चेक कराने के. तो this is height of, it all boils down to this, Pranesh. ताउम्र यही गलती करता रहा. धूल चेहरे पे थी, आईना साफ करता रहा. धूल आपके चेहरे पे है. You cannot set a narrative and win an election. Look into that and introspect.
किशोर तिवारी जी, मैं आ रहा हूं आपके पास. एक बार कमरुज़मान चौधरी जी को बोलने दीजिए जो बोलना चाहते हैं. यस सर, गो अहेड.
Yeah, basically you see the election commission, whenever the opposition parties, particularly Congress party, writes a letter with a complaint with objections to the election commission, a letter it seemingly drafted from Amit Malviya's office is sent back like a political statement. Point number 2, in Jharkhand we had specifically mentioned the name of Hemanta Biswa Sharma, who was ranting a communal and anti-EC directive election campaign in Jharkhand, but still then the election commission did not take any notice. So our faith in the election process in the country is slowly deteriorating, and I doubt if a proper election process is being held. In 3 to 4 months after the Lok Sabha election,
Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, what is slowly deteriorating before your eyes is the internal democracy in the Congress party. Congress बिठर रही है, आपको वो नजर नहीं आ रहा है. By the way, you've called this, body eagle. You have very little respect for the courts. Ishtaran, what body will they come up to monitor courts now? It'll be the, the Supreme Court, more supreme than the one we have.
Pranesh, if I will not be interrupted, because today I heard Mr. Kamruzaman saying that we have immense respect for the courts. If a judge of the Supreme Court or the Chief Justice was a part of the panel, we would have no problem. Do you recall all the debates after Ram Mandir and recently after CJI Chandrachud's retirement on what sort of attacks have started on Chief Justice Gogoi to Chief Justice Chandrachud to so many other judges of the court by that entire ecosystem? I'm very surprised that today the view is that we have immense respect for the courts. You have on your channel heard people saying, today you don't have your friend, but one of your friends openly saying things against the judiciary. So today this newfound respect is very nice to hear. But let's come on the facts now. The fault lies not in your stars, but in yourself. If you run incompetent election campaigns and you lose election, that does not mean that the election commission is biased. Let me give you just 2 examples. They are talking about probity of election commissions. Do you remember Mr. Naveen Chawla, who was indicted for emergency excesses and how he became the chief election commissioner, and even during his tenure as an election commission, various questions were raised on his probity and whether he was acting in a neutral manner. The second example, a former chief election commissioner, Mr. M.S. Gill, appointed as a cabinet minister nonetheless, all happening during Congress UP era. That time they had no problem with post-retirement post. Today they come. If in the beginning itself they had made these laws, made these procedures, today you wouldn't have had to question it. Also let me add here, it cannot be a case of जो बचपन में बोलते हैं ना, दिल्ली में चुनाव भी चल रहा है, नाच ना जाने आंगन टेढ़ा, नाच ना जाने EVM खराब. It cannot be EVM is functioning perfectly in Jharkhand and it does not function in Maharashtra. EVM is functioning perfectly in Jammu Kashmir and EVM does not function in Haryana. And if tomorrow Delhi is lost, Congress is anyways not in the game very strongly, but if it is lost, again it will be a problem of the EVM. Stop blaming EVM. If EVM would have not worked properly, Congress would have never lost.
No, but Ishtaran, they have gone beyond blaming EVM. Now they have a problem with the election commission.
One example, why? Yes. I will just end by saying this. Please understand, Pranesh, I'll end by saying this. US counts its votes, California, for 4 weeks after the votes are casted. In India, with the law and order problem, with various areas of still affected by Naxalism, of booth capturing, of records of that time, journalists of that time saying how ballot boxes were taken and dumped in rivers, all those problems are solved by technology in India, and that is why they have a problem, because the more technology is used, more voter identification is going on, tougher and tougher it is becoming for bogus voting and people who bring foreign infiltrators to win elections.
Right.
That is nutshell of the problem.
And you were talking about Jammu and Kashmir election, Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, this is for the record. Omar Abdullah, जो आपके alliance partner थे, उन्होंने क्या बोला था? Move over this election EVM बहाना. Alliance partners की तो बात सुन लीजिए. But सरदार आरपी सिंह, कांग्रेस कह रही है, राहुल गांधी कह रहे हैं कि आप लोगों ने एजेंसीज को इतना मिसयूज कर लिया कि अब इलेक्शन कमीशन भी बियॉन्ड डाउट नहीं है, उनको भरोसा नहीं रहा इलेक्शन कमीशन में.
उनको किस पे भरोसा है? Whom do they believe on? Which constitutional body they believe in? Do they believe in army of the country? Do they believe in Supreme Court of the country? Do they believe in election commission of the country? None. I mean, even today he spoke lie about that army general has said that 4,000 kilometers land has been occupied by China. Although Narwane Saab, the army chief, is on record on few channels saying, TV channels giving his interview that not an inch of land has been occupied by China. But they don't have faith in the army general, so they can spread lies on put words into some army general's mouth and say that, oh, army general साहब ने ऐसा कहा है. But the fact is, वो हिंदी में कहावत है ना, खिसियानी बिल्ली खम्बा नोचे. That true, just stand with them. खिसियाना गिद्ध अपने खुद के बाल नोचे. That's what is happening today. Someone said that it's not eagle, it's vulture. That's why I said गिद्ध. So the fact is that we all know that they are not able to check the political processes they go through, the party they are running, the group or the so-called alliance they stitch together. They are not able to put that thing into place, the group into the place, the alliance into the place, the party into the place, the leaders into the place, and their leaders miserably have been failing after each and every elections. That's why now it is easy to blame election commission. And an election commission on record has given the detailed reply on each and every
No, the fact is that if you have such a problem
But they
with the
don't even
institutions,
election
go to the
commission.
Supreme Court, for which you seem to suggest you still have, some amount of respect
but
and
they
trust
don't-
left.
No. They don't believe in Supreme Court also. There are occasions when they have challenged the Supreme Court also. Just now, Bhandari Basta was saying that they've challenged the Supreme Court also on many occasions. But issue is, someone pointed toward Naveen Chawla. Remember, that suited them because he was part of the regal part, not the eagle. The regal, you said rightly. He was part of the regal team where Harry used to go, and I'm sorry, we lost him a few days back, but the history stands as it is. He was accused of passing on information to Mrs.
Right.
Sonia Gandhi.
All of that is documented.
Well,
Kishore
that's how it
Tiwari,
is.
before I come to you,
That's how-
viewers, you must know this. It was, the Congress for the first time in October 1989 appointed 2 additional commissioners. This was done by the Rajiv Gandhi government. There was no consultation also. 2 additional election commissioners were appointed by the Congress in October 1993. So this is the track record of the Congress party. When it suits the narrative, everything is hunky-dory. When it doesn't, all institutions are suddenly suspect. किशोर तिवारी जी, ईगल वल्चर ये कहां दिल्ली से उड़ा रहे हैं राहुल गांधी, ये महाराष्ट्र भेज रहे हैं. तैयार हैं आप ईगल के लिए?
नहीं, देखो, आप 4 ही लोग बात कर रहे हैं. 4 लोग ही सरकार का पक्ष रख रहे हैं. मैं अभी बताता हूँ इस कारण. वो दिन दूर नहीं जब राजीव कुमार बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता रहेंगे या केंद्र में मंत्री रहेंगे. लेकिन मैं बता रहा हूं, महाराष्ट्र का चुनाव जिसने ग्राउंड में देखा, पहले तो हमने भी बोला नाना पटोले और संजय राउत के बयानों से हारे, लेकिन जब हमने बहुत क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस किया तो ये तो इलेक्शन कमीशन का फ्रॉड लगता है. 70 लाख वोट ऐड कर दिए गए. और आज राहुल गांधी जी ने जो कुछ भी कहा उसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए. और महाराष्ट्र का चुनाव तो जनता अभी तक डाइजेस्ट कर नहीं पाई. अगर बैलेट पेपर से चुनाव होते तो बीजेपी को 30-40 सीट मिलती और महायुति 50-60 में रहती. लेकिन ये तो उल्टा हो गया. हम 50 में रह गए.
किशोर तिवारी जी,
30
एक
में
मिनट.
रह गए.
किशोर तिवारी जी, आप देखिए, बहुत ही सीनियर और रेस्पॉन्सिबल नेता है. अभी बैलेट पेपर से 2-3 चुनाव हुए मेयर वाले. एक आई थिंक चंडीगढ़ में हुआ है और एक जगह और हुआ है. वो भी कांग्रेस और वो जो पार्टीज थी वो भी हार गई, बीजेपी की जीत हुई है. आप इसको चेक कर सकते हैं. आई डोंट रिमेंबर एग्जैक्टली विच प्लेस, बट ये बैलेट पेपर से हुआ है और वहां पे भी हार गए. मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूं, सुनिए किशोर जी, 1 मिनट. 2014 में सर कांग्रेस जब हार गई, एक एंटनी पैनल बनी थी. एंटनी पैनल ने अपने रिपोर्ट में क्या बोला कि एनिमल प्लैनेट से एक आप कभी वल्चर निकालिए, ईगल निकालिए, लायन, टाइगर. व्हाट हैव वी made this exercise into? The Antony panel said there must be introspection on part of the leadership.
नहीं, एक बात मैं बोलता हूं, पार्टियों में जो स्लीपर सेल के लोग हैं उनको तो हकाल देना चाहिए. ये बात मैं तुम्हारी मान्य कर रहा हूं. ये जो बूढ़े बाड़े लोग हैं इनको भी घर बिठा देना चाहिए.
नहीं, ये बूढ़े गाड़े घर लोग कौन है? अब किसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं? अब सब फिर पैनलिस्ट के एज पे बात आ जाएगी कि 60 के बियॉन्ड या 55 के बियॉन्ड फिर आ नहीं सकते डिबेट में, दिक्कत हो जाएगी. और खड़गे जी को आप क्या बूढ़ा बोल रहे हैं? प्रेसिडेंट
नहीं, देखो 80 साल से जो बड़े हैं या 75 साल से बड़े, जैसे मोदी जी 75 साल के हो रहे तो रिटायर हो रहे, वही आदर्श रखते हुए अब जैसे आपने ये बताया हमको, दिग्विजय सिंह दिग्विजय सिंह वगैरह तरीके लोगों को घर बिठाना चाहिए। आज राज्यसभा के अंदर पहली लाइन में आप देखते हैं कांग्रेस के नेता, तो ऐसा लगता है कि क्या क्या है, क्या ये कहीं नई लीडरशिप है ही नहीं। लेकिन मैं बता रहा हूं, महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन में धांधली हुई, ये सत्य है।
तो किशोर तिवारी जी, अगर आपको लगता है, नो मिस्टर तिवारी, इफ यू रियली थिंक देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम इन द इलेक्शन प्रोसेस, द रिजल्ट, यू नो दैट यू आर डाउटिंग, यू शुड गो टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट। या ईगल पे भरोसा आपको, सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे नहीं है। और ये ईगल क्या नए लीडर्स ढूंढे या कांग्रेस को, वो करना चाहिए उनको। द ईगल शुड यू एक्चुअली गो ओवर द स्टेट्स, फाइंड न्यू लीडर्स with ability and talent, or then it should come back and report. But what will happen to the report? Nothing, because you see it's
अगर धनंजय चंद्रचूड़ तरीके सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सीजेआई रहे तो क्या क्या न्याय
तो यही देख लीजिए ना। अब आपको भरोसा ही नहीं है, कोर्ट में भरोसा नहीं है। सही बोल रहे थे वो आरपी सिंह, सही बोल रहे थे करण वर्मा, सही बोल रहे थे। आपको जुडिशरी पे भी भरोसा नहीं है, चीफ जस्टिस पे भरोसा नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट द फर्स्ट चीफ जस्टिस, viewers, that the Congress party is doubting or opposition members are doubting. It's all about their narrative.
चंद्रचूड़ के बारे में
Sumaya Rana, do you believe that the election commission is under pressure from the government, that the polls in this country are not fair? क्या आप मानती हैं कि जो चुनाव प्रक्रिया है वो साफ सुथरी नहीं है?
100% जो इलेक्शन कमीशन है, इट इज टोटली गवर्न्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, जो रूलिंग पार्टी है। मुझे इस बात को कहते हुए बिल्कुल भी गुरेज नहीं होगा कि पिछले जितने इलेक्शंस हुए हैं, अभी एक हमारे पैनलिस्ट कह रहे थे 70 लाख वोट ज्यादा पड़े महाराष्ट्र में। आई वॉज देयर इन द महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शन। उसके अलावा अगर उत्तर प्रदेश, अब महाराष्ट्र में एक केस तो बहुत ही अजीब सा सामने आया था, जिसमें उस वोटर के घर के जो कैंडिडेट था उसके 4 वोट्स थे घर के अपने अपने, और वो ही गॉट ओनली 1 वोट। तो इस तरीके की जब चीजें सामने आती हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश में 2022 में देवबंद के पास एक गांव था, मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है, उसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स थे 1200 या 1300, और वहां से 2500 वोट्स निकलते हैं। व्हाट इज दिस? तो अगर इस तरीके के हालात में अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन पर सवाल उठता है तो इसमें क्या बुराई है? और इलेक्शन कमीशन को खुद ये बात सोचना चाहिए कि वो एक ऐसी बॉडी है जिसका एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है, और अगर उस रोल पर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सवाल उठा रही हैं तो उनको इस बात को सोचना पड़ेगा कि क्यों इस तरीके के सवाल सामने आ रहे हैं।
आप जो ये बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रही हैं, मैं आपको बस ये बताना चाहता हूं, अगर आपने राहुल गांधी को आज सुना होगा, मैम 1 मिनट, लिसन टू मी, राहुल गांधी डिड नॉट इवन टॉक अबाउट समाजवादी पार्टी, you know, while he was referring to the doubtful Maharashtra results, he said ये जो रिपोर्ट है या जो जवाब है इलेक्शन कमीशन को कांग्रेस, शिवसेना और एनसीपी को देना चाहिए। और आपको कांग्रेस में भरोसा है नहीं है, इसीलिए तो आप उनको टिकट नहीं देते उनके साथ। आपको कांग्रेस में भी भरोसा नहीं है। इफ यू डोंट हैव ट्रस्ट इन योर अलायंस पार्टनर, हाउ आर यू बैटिंग फॉर दिस सुपर ईसी ईगल आइडिया?
वो कहा जो समाजवादी पार्टी के कैंडिडेट्स ने झेला है, जो संभल में झेला है, जो कानपुर में झेला है और रामपुर में झेला है, तब इलेक्शन कमीशन कहा था
नहीं तो इलेक्शन
कैंडिडेट्स के
एक बात बताइए,
के खींचा जा रहा था।
मैम
किसी को
सुमैया राणा जी, आप क्या चाहते हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन हट जाए और देश में पूरा वोट जिहाद हो जाए? आप ही के किसी नेता ने कहा था प्रचार में,
नहीं लगता कि इसमें कोई बुराई,
आपके एक नेता ने कहा था वोट जिहाद होना चाहिए, वो सही है क्या? ईगल उसको स्टॉप करेगा? उसके लिए बीगल की जरूरत होगी।
जिहाद को जिस तरफ ले जाते हैं एक्चुअली वो
किस तरफ ले जा रहा हूं मैं? वोट जिहाद क्या होता है?
टू नो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ जिहाद। आप जिहाद,
मैम, one of your own leaders said it. Don't ask me. I am asking about something which was said by your own leaders. So before you can look, there can be problems here and there for which there is a mechanism in place कि कहां पे वोटर्स कम पड़ गए। कोई प्रोसेस ऐसा फ्लॉलेस तो नहीं है। उसका मतलब क्या? यू विल सेट अप ईगल, वल्चर, आई मीन वेयर आर वी हेडिंग? आप लोगों ने ऑल, मैम 1 मिनट, द ऑपोजिशन मस्ट एक्ट रेस्पॉन्सिबली। इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, गो टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट। राहुल गांधी has been wrapped by the Supreme Court. Arvind Kejriwal has had to apologize on multiple occasions. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, Is Rahul Gandhi right in saying what he's saying?
See, Pranesh ji, I want to give you an instance. In Delhi elections, there is a person called Parvesh Verma, and he has been seen openly distributing cash on record, and your camera person has also recorded it. It was taken to EC. There has been not a single action till now by the election commission. At his own house, 33 votes has been registered. His family members are not 33. How 33 votes has been registered at his government residence, which he has been living illegally after. He is not today a member of parliament. Still, he is staying in the government residence. So, interestingly, 33 votes are his name. Interestingly, in the New Delhi constituency, there are 5,000.
Dr. Muni, let me ask you the more fundamental question. Dr. Muni, 1 minute. You 1 minute, sir. You are a reasonable man. Let me ask you अब फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चन, ये बेसलाइन सवाल है. एक्चुअली मेरी गलती हो गई कि मैंने शुरू में आपसे नहीं पूछा. राहुल गांधी में आप भरोसा करते हैं?
राहुल गांधी ने जब महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शंस पे सवाल उठाया, उस पे हम पूरा भरोसा करते हैं.
क्यों लिटर गेट पे जब वो सवाल उठाते हैं तब आप भरोसा नहीं करेंगे?
किस पे?
लिटर गेट पे जब वो सवाल उठाते हैं तब आप भरोसा नहीं करेंगे?
देखिए, एक इंसान हर जगह सही नहीं हो सकता.
अच्छा,
इलेक्शन कमीशन की जगह पे वो सही है, पर लिटर गेट
तो ये कैसे डिसाइड कर रहे हैं आप कि वो सही है यहाँ पे और लिटर गेट में गलत है?
तथ्य के आधार पे आप मुझे पूछिए, मैं आपको तथ्य बताऊंगा.
बता दीजिए सर, क्या तथ्य दिया है राहुल गांधी ने ये बोलने के लिए कि इलेक्शन वहां पे डूबियस थे? बता दीजिए. मैं आपको बता देता हूं इलेक्शन कमीशन ने क्या कहा है. Here's the Maharashtra response by the election commission. Dr. Muni, just hear me out. I am quoting from what the EC had said on December 24 last year. At the outset, it is hereby stated that due to recent amendments in the Representation of Peoples Act 1950, there are 4 qualifying dates in a calendar year: 1st January, 1st April, 1st July, 1st October. So it used to be that you turn 18 during the year, you are eligible to vote after January 1st next year. Under the amendment, voters are added quarterly. Hence the increase in voters, especially first time voters, and there is transparency by EC in letters with specific numbers. अब आप बताइए तथ्य क्या है, और अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है EC से, go to the Supreme Court.
They have gone to the High Court. They have gone to the High Court. The case is sub judice in the High Court. So let's not go to the High Court argument. Now, second point is that what you are making is quarterly is happening. 5 साल में जितना वोट्स ऐड नहीं हुआ, 5 महीने में उतना वोट्स ऐड कैसे हो सकता है? सिमिलरली दिल्ली में भी, दिल्ली के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो 5 साल में नहीं हुआ, पिछले 1 महीने में उतने नए वोट्स ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. वो कैसे हो रहे हैं? और जिस एप्लीकेशंस की बुनियाद पे हो रहा है, वो उस पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मोहर लगे हुए. ये कैसे हो रहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को लास्ट 1 महीने में 5,000 नए वोट ऐड कर देना, 7,500 नए पुराने वोट हटा देना?
आरपी सिंह जी, जवाब दीजिए.
5 महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शन में.
Let him respond. Let's get a response from the BJP. Karan, I am coming to you.
परनेश, झूठ बोलने की हद होती है. कोई एक बीजेपी का लेटर था जिसमें 5,000 वोटर ऐड करने की बात की. should be one letter of this kind. I mean, कुछ भी आकर कहीं से भी कुछ बोल देना. I mean, you're a learned man, you're a doctor by profession. Please, I mean, before you say something, be prepared for that. You can face a case tomorrow on that. But you can face legal complication also because of that. Coming to that Parvesh Verma issue, FIR has already been filed by the Election Commission on Parvesh Verma. Although I don't go by that FIR, we will challenge that FIR also, because till the time a man files his nomination, he is not a candidate, and as a candidate and as a citizen, one is entitled to do charity, and he was doing charity as an individual, as a citizen, not as a candidate. After filing nomination, if he has done anything wrong, obviously he is liable for action. But coming to the core issue, Parnesh, they will keep questioning the constitutional bodies, as I said earlier also, because for them it's my way or highway. I mean, how can you forget that PMO files used to go to Tangent Path, and that National Advisory Committee used to guide them what to do, what not to do on each and every file. And this is registered in various logs also that this was happening. So this is how they are used to. That's why they want Eagle to supervise the Election Commission. Tomorrow they will have something else to supervise this army, and then something else to supervise the Supreme Court also.
Right.
Because
Kamru Zaman Chaudhary ji, what will you do after Eagle? Suppose if Eagle also, fails to take off, तो आप क्या करेंगे? ईगल के बाद क्या सोचा आप लोगों ने?
Now, Pranesh, I've got 3 fact checks for your kind information, if you permit me. First is, against the Election Commission appointment, yes, ADR has already gone to the Supreme Court on 12th of February. The next date is there, and Advocate Prashant Bhushan is looking after the case. Second, when you said that the 2 election commissioners were appointed during Congress rule, that is wrong. It was in 1st January 1990 under VP Singh government, supported by the BJP. 2 election commissioners were added, which was subsequently cancelled. In 1993, the Congress government introduced an act in parliament and it was passed out there. Third is, when you said the election commission appoints or enlists new voters every quarter, that means in 1 quarter after the Lok Sabha election till the assembly election, if 70 lakh voters were added in 1 quarter because of the voters reaching 18 years of age. Pranesh, you and me, the maths doesn't add up. 2 crores 80 lakhs in the 4 quarters of a year. This is absolutely rubbish to be claiming. That's why I say the election commission needs to answer a lot of questions. And the only way that the election commission can answer
Kamruzaman Chaudhary ji, 1 minute. You made 3 points. Let's go one by one. On point number 1, if you believe that the case is sub judice, why is the Congress jumping the gun? What is this eagle vulture business? रुक जाइए, कोर्ट का फैसला आने दीजिए. अभी आप ईगल क्यों बना रहे हैं आप? अगर if you really believe and if you have faith in the court, no
giving affidavits.
If you have faith in the judiciary, wait for the case to be decided by the court. Is that too difficult to understand? And I stand by, sir. I stand by what I said about the appointments of additional election commissioners. Look it up and we will have this conversation again. I am not running away anywhere. What I said is right. Please check your facts. Karan, you see, we are beating around the bush. The main question in this debate is what will this eagle do when you have the election commission? What does the Congress want? A remote control election commission?
Pranesh, I think they stand completely exposed, and this, as I started on saying, that this is not an eagle group, this is a vulture group. They want to somehow disparage every institution so that the democracy here weakens. As Rahul Gandhi said, this is a war against the state. Election Commission is an integral part of this institution, of this state. So they want to assault everyone. But Pranesh, some quick fact checks here. What Kamruzaman said, he should trace back 5 years back. Every single time whenever there is an assembly election, there is a 2 to 3% enrollment. 2 to 3% if we do basic maths. 10 to 12 crores population of Maharashtra, you see how many people are enrolled. And for MAM, Samajwadi Party, nobody has landed more with a foot in his mouth than Akhilesh Yadav. On 27th October 2022, 3 MLAs of his went to the election commission saying that we are cheated. When the election commission asked them to present their case, they did not turn up. Can you imagine this? Then they claimed that Muslim voters have been deleted. Again, they landed with a foot on their mouth and they got a notice on 10th November. And our friend Akashdeep Muni, let me tell him, there are 2 AAP MLAs, Mohinder Goyal and Jai Bhagwan, who have been given a criminal, against whom a criminal complaint has been filed by the Delhi police because they officially gave a letter to register voters with fake IDs. तो भैया आपके तो कर्म ऐसे हैं. And Parvesh Verma, by the way, आज से नहीं, 5 साल पहले से, during COVID से, he has been distributing shawls, shoes, even cash, because he runs an NGO by the name Jagran Samiti, which is doing some stellar work. And the model code of conduct has yet not kicked in. थोड़ा सा पढ़ लिख कर थोड़ा सा facts जानने चाहिए before jumping the gun.
And Dr. Muni, while you are responding to Karan, the question that I asked remain, if you really have faith in Rahul Gandhi, then he's, called Mr. Kejriwal names, corrupt, anti-national, this, that, the other.
See, Pranayji, during elections, people call names.
तो ये भी तो इलेक्शन में ही बोल रहे हैं राहुल गांधी कि हम ईगल बनाएंगे, इलेक्शन कमीशन गलत है महाराष्ट्र, ये भी तो इलेक्शन में ही है.
Rahul Gandhi is right with the election commission issue, he is wrong with the liquor gate issue.
No, who are you? Are you the super eagle? डॉक्टर मुनी, राहुल गांधी राइट है इसमें और गलत है उसमें, ये आप कौन है? By the way, Supreme Court, you were talking about the court, Mr. Muni, Dr. Muni, just 1 minute. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रिस्ट्रेन किया ना मिस्टर केजरीवाल को, बोला है कि आप सीएमओ नहीं जा सकते, तो कोर्ट सही है गलत है, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रेस्ट्रिक्ट किया, आप सीएमओ नहीं जा सकते, पर उन्होंने पेपर साइन करने के लिए कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. ही कैन बी द नेक्स्ट सीएम. and he will be
मैंने
the
तो
next
वो
CM.
पूछा भी नहीं. That the people will decide. We don't decide,
yes,
you know,
of course,
chief
the people
ministers
will
on the panel.
But replying to Karan, it is astonishing today that intelligent intellectuals of this country are defending distribution of money to voters, saying them that कि बीजेपी को वोट करना. बाहर निकल के सबने बोला था कि ये हमें पैसा देके बोल रहे हैं कि बीजेपी को वोट करना. मुझे शर्म आती है कि इंटेलेक्चुअल्स उनको डिफेंड करते हैं. कैसे आप डिफेंड कर सकते हो?
He's not talking about money, Dr. Muni. Dr. Muni, just to make a point, ऐसे तो cut copy paste मत कीजिए. You are doing, you know, ये clip काट के ऐसे मत कीजिए. Karan Verma did not say that. Maybe you didn't understand, or perhaps you're doing this deliberately. I don't know. But you know, I thank you for joining us on debate number 1, Dr. Muni. Always a pleasure to have you. Let's quickly shift attention, viewers, to